Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make roles in a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and select the server where you want to add roles. Then, click on the server name at the top left and choose Server Settings from the drop-down menu. Once in Settings, find and click the Roles tab on the left sidebar. Finally, click the Create Role button to start building your first new role. Now that you have created a new role, it is time to customize it. Start by giving your role a memorable name, perhaps moderator or community member. Next, pick a distinct color from the palette. This helps visually differentiate roles in the member list. Most importantly, carefully adjust the permissions. You can enable or disable over 30 individual permissions, such as manage channels or read message history, to define what members with this role can do. Understanding role hierarchy is crucial for server management. In the Roles tab, you can simply drag and drop roles to change their order. Remember, roles positioned higher in the list have more authority and can manage members with roles below them. For example, a moderator role above a member role can manage members. Always ensure your most powerful roles, like administrator, are at the very top to maintain proper control and security. With your roles created and permissions set, the final step is assigning them to your server members. Navigate back to your server's main view and locate the member list on the right side. Find the member you wish to assign a role to, then right-click on their name. A context menu will appear. Hover over the roles option, and then simply click on the role you want to give them. It is that easy to empower your community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.